Hi guys, my name is Safira. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. Be sure to subscribe and follow me on Instagram. Today's video is a little fun experimental vibe since this was a freestyle hairstyle. Sounds like I'm freestyling on some bars as well. Freestyle hairstyle. Don't get me started. Let me stay calm, okay? Let me stay calm. First, I'm gonna section off my hair from ear to ear like you would do for a half up, half down style. Then I just tied the bottom half up into a little bun to get it out of the way for now, since I am basically just gonna be working on the front section only. Now, after sectioning off the first part, I used the trusty Eco Styler gel, and I just went in with the gel, applying it all around the section on the part that's gonna be the base of the bantu knot. Now, if you don't like using Eco Styler gel, you can also use a wax or edge control of your choice, maybe even a hairspray that's strong enough to hold your hair in place, because I know Eco Styler doesn't work for everyone, so just use whatever you like to use for your sleek hairstyles. Now, this video is actually a cute hairstyle I just came up with after watching some TikTok videos. I was planning to do a whole different hairstyle at first, but I decided to change it up and just try out something new. So that's how I ended up with this cute half bantu knot style. And this was also my very first time trying out bantu knots in general, but it was surprisingly easy to me, so it turned out great. Then after applying the gel all around the part, I used my baby hair brush to smooth the section out, and I tried to use a normal brush at first. I just cut that part out, but it was just way too big for the small parts that I made, so my baby hair brush worked just fine. After that, I tied it with a little hairband. I actually wanted to use the little rubber bands, but I didn't have them with me, so I just used a normal hair tie instead, and yeah, works the same way. So yeah, just smooth it out and make sure to comb or brush through the whole section a couple of times to get all the tangles out. That way you can get a nice looking bantu knot. Now for the bantu knot, you're gonna twist your hair tightly in one direction and just keep twisting, and then eventually start wrapping the twist around the hair tie. Hopefully this makes sense. I think it's pretty easy. Just watch what I'm doing. And for the ends of my hair, I applied a little bit more gel and wrapped it around the base of the bantu knot to keep it in place. You can also use another rubber band to make sure your bantu knot doesn't unravel, but mine stayed in place like this as well. So yeah, I'm gonna do the same thing for the other bantu knots as well, and then I will be back with you guys. Enjoy watching.
And a 17, I jump in at this 45 feet, me caught it, now miss. Me finger move swift, me gun them now stick. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. 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 Listen, you've been missing since 2016. Squid tell me 160. You know that's my sister. When she speak, I listen. She swears you're my missing. I say we think different. I see why your heart I see. Come baby, come try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me, love? Too many twists and turns, yeah. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, call me eye to fry, I get burned, yeah. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the tight and ease. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, but yeah, she just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, dance and tease. You feel like the Highland breeze. You know what you want and need. Bend over, hug up and squeeze. You used to say you didn't know love. I used to say you need to grow up. I know you know. Say you want to get out though. And I know, you want wine fast and you wine slow. Remember the first night when you get freaky, when you get naughty. Before that we are chill with Noel and party, a John and party. Yeah, your body was so clean. You did a weird verse. Back it up high, you look like your body drive me. Oh, your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. You got your body at the tight and deep. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. 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 Yeah, I see why your heart's I see. Come baby, come try me. Everybody run by me. Yeah. Look how you twist and turn, yeah. Look how you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, I have you twist and turn, yeah. Look how you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy, your body need a license fee. Got your body at the tight and deep. Anybody who got eyes can't.
Okay, I finished the bantu knots, and for the other half of my hair I just used a little bit of leave-in conditioner to keep it moisturized. And I want to do more of these experimental freestyle hairstyles. I really like this, so yeah, more coming very soon.
Mashing out in sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment. You got desires, I know. You got desires, I know. You got desires. You got that fire, and I'm not a liar. You had me down on my knees, they really had to talk beside. I'm in that 8 and then one of them is different priority. I try to pay all your loans off and copy you a driver. I had to stand too close to the city, you acting too vulnerable living this life. I still move you away from Houston before I copy all this ice. You wanna be my number one, you're not acting like the main thing. I let you play my number two, you barely made the second change. Put you somewhere where no one can find you. Mashing out in sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment. You got desires, I know.
Now that's the end of this video. Let me know what you think, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.
You got desires. Hey. Self-control is